Welcome, BlackBerry. Are you ready? Are you ready for today? We're gonna see another test for a really important level because now we a bit squeezed between the 16 and the 15, and there is a big momentum coming up. We're gonna go through the resistance area, where you buy, where you sell, and what we should expect for this week for the price. So without further ado, let's get right to hunt and let's go see the first what's happening to the sentiment for the market, and let's refresh and see the glove is first, then BlackBerry is still second in the top three. This is really good for the sentiment of the market. And if we look here, guys, just a bit of review about the 5 years total return for a BlackBerry. We could see, like, from the last year of February, we have a good turnaround. Since the 2018, we can see the drop in return, but now last year is not just, I'm just showing you guys, it's not like BlackBerry just meme stock like the other stock, but we actually have a momentum from the last year and we still have a positive return. And now we're gonna see the chart and see what's happening. We have a bit of rejection, as I told you, here at the $16. In the last video I told you we're gonna see a bit of rejection at around the $16.55, and that we did, and we went as low as 15. So now, guys, as you can look here, we have this kind of scenario. We have to actually hold above the $15 by today if we want to see explosion and test around the $17, because if we see at the $17 by today, this will be a bit of confirm to see the 19 very soon and this week. And now the price actually contained in this little box here, this little box. And now from our chart for the momentum indicator, we see a bit of momentum dropping, but we still above the zero, and this is still really good. After this big drop, we see a momentum up, and we have to have the price actually bounce again from our exponential average, and we're doing really good right now because we didn't even test the 12. And in a big picture, as I told you guys, always have a big picture in your mind, because we're still respecting this level that I draw from the last video. I told you we still actually trending up, and from this chart we still have the squeeze that we did at 12, and we still respecting this level. And if we extended this line, we can see this kind of scenario, because now in the pre-market is 16.22, and this is really good. We might see the 17 today, so you can look here. Even if we got rejected around the 17 again, we're gonna see a consolidation until we see the 19. So we actually on the right track for BlackBerry. So hold on tight, because the rocket is fueling, guys. Be ready to take off really soon. And again, guys, always be ready to take a bit of profit, because we're gonna see a bit of rejection around the 1950 or something before the 20 for the test. This is normal. If we just go above the 20, we see a really explosion for the price. And a lot of analysts said there's a price projection like for $35 for BlackBerry. But we have to clear the big squeeze around the $20 for BlackBerry, and then the sky is the limit. So without further ado, guys, press the like button, comment below if you have any question, and let's get it right.